Hey traders, do you want access to order flow tools and a trading platform 100% free, plus market data for just $4 a month? Watch this video to the end. Let's start with the platform. There are plenty of platforms that offer real order flow data, but many are expensive. Most platforms charge mid $30 to mid $80 per month. We all know those costs add up, and they can become a significant percentage of your income, especially in the beginning. The good news, you also have a free option, NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader offers access to real data, lots of add-ons, and a very user-friendly experience. It has two options, a free version and a paid version, $99 per month. The paid version includes the platform order flow, plus tools for in-depth analysis like volume profile, VWAP. You can get free order flow tools too. We created an order flow basic pack, 100% free, with essential indicators, ETH volume profile that shows the electronic trading hours, ETH session volume profile, including VAL, VAH, POC. You can display the price, customize the colors as you wish, and flip the profile. ETH VWAP displays VWAP with standard deviation bands. It is a great indicator for seeing the average traded price. Delta bars reveals buyer versus seller pressure within each bar to help you decide who's in control. Footprint shows bid.ask activity at each price level, highlights buy and sell imbalances, and includes a delta profile at the right of the candle. This helps you spot large order clusters for potential absorption or continuation. You'll also see each candle's total delta for clearer decisions. These indicators work with level 1 data, while volume profile and VWAP are limited to the ETH session, and the tools focus on the basics. They're perfect if you're a beginner who wants to get comfortable with order flow analysis for free. Even though they're free, they're professional grade and use real market data, no guesswork. Similar tools online can cost hundreds of dollars. We're happy to support the trading community, especially beginners juggling multiple subscriptions. Now you know how to get a platform and order flow analysis 100% free. Let's talk about the data. Typically, CME level 1 data, covering S&P 500, NASDAQ, etc., is around $12 per month. Here are two ways to make it cheaper. 1. Join a futures prop firm. They include data in the subscription. 2. If you use NinjaTrader platform, you can apply for a trading account and get CME data for about $4 per month, with a small minimum deposit. We're not recommending any particular broker. Do your own research, just showing you a cost-effective path. Be sure to read the terms. If you trade CFDS and want deeper order flow insights, this can be a game changer. For example, if you trade EURUSD or GBPUSD as CFDS, you can reference the corresponding futures contracts 6E or 6B to see real volume and real orders inside each candle. If you need more options in your order flow toolkit, check out the Hameral Order Flow Pro Pack. Quick announcement, our Black Friday VIP list is now open. VIP members get the Black Friday offer, 24 hours early plus an extra discount. If you're thinking about upgrading to the Pro Pack, join the list to secure the best price. And let's be honest, at the current price, getting 8 indicators is a great deal. Do your own research and see for yourself. And starting next year, the price will increase and align with the current market prices. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.